Playwright is a Node.js library for UI and API automation testing, and a very popular one at the moment. So I'm not going to talk too much about the Playwright, and I think you have already heard more about Playwright because you selected and watching this video now. But if you don't know about Playwright, don't worry. This is going to be an easy tutorial and you will really be able to follow that up. However, in this video we are going to discuss about how to start with API testing framework with Playwright. Since Playwright is a Node.js library, you must have installed Node before you start installing Playwright. But another nice thing is you can directly execute npm init playwright command, which will create the complete project for you with the right folder structure. While you are installing, you can say no to install Playwright browsers because we are going to run only API tests here. Okay, let's see another time how we install Playwright for implement an API test framework. Once it's installed, it will show you how you can run your test and other popular commands. Then it's time to update the config. Go to playwright config.ts file and change the base URL to your endpoint. Let's find out a popular public API to test it out if you don't have any endpoint at the moment, so don't worry. Let's come to that part later. And you can delete the following sections for referring to the browsers since we are not going to use them. When Playwright creates the folder structure, it creates sample tests for your reference. Let's delete them later when you write your own test files. Package.json file is the main file holds the information about the project when it comes to Node. Here you can see Playwright as a dependent library. We need to update the script section also, and that is the place we write commands to execute our tests. Then let's create a key called tests and update the command as in the video. So npm run test will be the command to execute all the tests in the test folder. When you run the command npm run test in your terminal, now it runs all the sample test files for you. So we are pretty much done with the initial setup. Let's see how to start writing tests in next tutorial.